Situation. The ongoing fighting in the capital has led to the displacement of thousands of civilians and the fears of hundreds of dead or missing. While the command network of the Salika militia continues to crumble under pressure from strikes by TF-29, Azerian state have made significant gains in the north of the country, utilising established border crossings. AS fighters along with new recruits and weapons are flooding into the Central African Republic to reinforce the position within the capital.
Strike force, motherfucker!
Go in, we shut the fuck up, we get it done, we come back here, we'll wank each other off. Alright, spring break.